Hi everyone, my name is Shubham and I am the Data Science and Business Analytics Intern in the Spark Foundation. So today I am going to discuss about my task 3, that is exploratory data analysis in the retail sample store. In the dataset we have the data of United States. So I made this dashboard in the Power BI where I divided the whole region into four parts, that is central, east, south and west. In the central pass, we have the total sales of 501.24k and of the profit 39.71k. Out of this sales and profit, we have 170.42k of sales in the technology, 167.03k dollar of sales in office supplies, and 163.8k dollar of supplies in the furniture, out of which 6.2% is profit in the technology and 1.63% in the profit in office supplies and the remaining in the furniture part. If we talk about the ship mode, then we have the maximum sales and maximum profit in the standard class, and the lowest profit and lowest sell in the same day class. If we talk about the sales and profit by segment, then the individual consumer has the maximum by which the company is getting maximum profit and maximum sales. Sales is about $0.25 million and profit is $0.01 million. Through corporate, we get the we get the sales of only $0.16 million, but our profit is great. Here we our profit is approx $0.02 million. And if we talk about the profit per by cities in the per state, then this ball is bigger than any other ball, means that the sale in this state is larger than any other state. So if we talk about the profit in this state, then approx 298.7327k dollar of profit in the Fort Worth area. That is around 26.7% of the total profit. So let's go to the east part. And in this east part, we have seen that New York City is the maximum sales state, and through which we have the New York City has the maximum our company is getting profit from New York City. So let's go to our second region, that is the East region. Here we get a sales of 678.78k dollar with a total profit of 91.52k dollar. And here we can see New York State is the bigger has the bigger ball than any other, means it has the more sales than any other state. In the New York City has our company is getting more benefit from the New York City, which is around the total profit of 83.79 only from this state. And if we talk about the sales and profit by categories, then around 34.4% is from the technology part, around 27.04% about from the furniture part, and about 26.68% about from the office supplies. If we talk about the segment, then we get the maximum sales from the consumer part, around $0.35 million, and with a profit of $0.04 million. And if we talk about the SIP mode, and again we can see they see that from the standard class we get maximum sales and maximum profit, but in the same day class we get less sales and the less profit. So in the southern region, we can observe that the Florida has the highest number of sales with a total profit is from Tallahassee, which is around 25.08% of profit from this state. Our total sales is 391.72k, and profit of 46.725 k dollars. If we talk about the sales and profit in this region, then around 33.93% is from technology, around 28.66% is from the office supplies, and around 26.75% is from the furniture. From our total revenue, our total revenue around 4.56% of profit is coming from the technology, around 4.56 percent of profit is coming from the office supplies, and around 1.54% of profit is coming from the furniture. Again, here in the SIP mode, we can see that in the standard class, we get the maximum sales and the maximum profit, and in the same day class, we get the less number of sales and in the less number of profit. Through this, we can conclude that from the same day, if we talk about the ship mode, we have to focus on the same day. We have to increase its profit as well as its sales also. In the segment part, we have to work on the home office, so that is the consumer which are working which are working in home as a office, they purchase more goods from your company. If we talk about the top 10 cities by profit, here is the name of the 10 cities here, which is top 10 cities by the profit. And here we have the 10 cities which are in the loss. So we have to focus on that city also to gain more profit. Same thing we have done in the west part. So this one is the maximum profit by state, which around Los Angeles has the maximum profit, and then Arizona, San Francisco, and then San Diego. Here we can see that 30.29% is from the furniture part, and 30.22% is from technology, and 26.49% of total sales is coming from the office supplies. Around 7.725.46 k dollar of sales is coming from the waste part, which is giving around 108.42 k dollar of profit from this reason. And again, we can see that consumers our consumer sector is doing great, where we have the 0.36 million dollar of sales, and we have the 0.06 million of profit from this consumer sector. But again, office supplies has the less number of sales, that is around 0.14 million, and the profit is about 0.02 million dollar. Sales and profit about the ship mode is again as same as the other reason. Almost 0.41 million dollar is coming sales is coming from the standard class, and the 0.04 million dollar is coming from the same day class. So we have to do more focus on first class and the second same day class. Here we can see that it is the top 10 cities by the profit, and it is the top bottom 10 cities by profit. So we have to focus on the bottom 10 cities of by the profit, so that we can get the maximum accuracy. Thank you.